Hello dear students, especially the aspirants of NEET. I would like to bring a very important information for your attention. Now, this is likely to be your NEET 2019 question paper design for the chemistry subject. From past 2-3 years, if we observe, the question paper pattern is more focusing from the questions of organic chemistry. Both class 11 and class 12 organic chemistry questions have been asked in more number in comparison with the physical and the inorganic chemistry. Just last year paper, if you consider, we had almost around 24 questions coming from your class 12 chemistry and then 21 questions coming from class 11 chemistry. So that means there are more questions coming from class 12 chemistry concepts. In that especially, we need to focus more for organic chemistry lessons. Organic chemistry part 1 and part 2 both are very important. All are being asked with the application of the concepts that been previously learned. There were not many direct questions. There were so many application questions on the basis of the concepts that have been learned. So once I finish with this information video, I'll be taking up all of those application questions that will be more important and must be revised by the students before you go for your NEET examination. So now, keeping that in mind, here is the latest information that we have got about the chemistry question paper design. So let's see what is the story for us. Clearly depicted very important concepts only, not all of them, just the important ones, wherein if you focus more, your marks in chemistry are definitely going to go up. So the first important topic for this year 2019 NEET examination is more questions are bound to be coming from the concept of chemical bonding and molecular structure. Approximately 12.5% is the weightage that is being given. So if you just analyze what type of questions you might be getting from this particular chapter of chemical bonding and molecular structure, mostly from the concept of PSEPR theory, the concept of hybridization, the shape of the molecule and the solubility product, the numericals based on solubility product to find out the solubility product. So things like that you need to focus more from this particular chapter of chemical bonding and molecular structure. Then the basic concepts, again the weightage is up to the tune of 10%. So here purely it is numericals. Purely it is numericals. To go through the important numericals that you might be required to revise before you write this NEET examination, many very important numericals on this chapter I've already made and put in the YouTube. It is available. You may please go through, watch that. And it is been made in beautiful presentation for easy understanding. It's been done in very small time. So time is also been taken into consideration so that you need not have to spend too much of time. If you just watch once, you get an idea of what is the formula to be taken and how to be done with the such kind of process. So purely it is numericals. Then chemical equilibrium. Application questions from chemical equilibrium. What are the effect of the temperature or pressure or the concentration on a particular equilibria that is being given. So such type of questions, and here and there we find numericals being asked from this, but it is majorly focused on the application of the Le-Chatelier's principle. What happens when concentration of a particular equilibrium is changed? Say for example, for the formation of sulfur trioxide, formation of ammonia, and then dissociation of HI, all of this. So I want the students to just glance these. What happens to concentration, pressure and temperature on these equilibrium? What is the effect of that? So that comes to the tune of 8.2%. Then carbonyl compound is being expected to come to the tune of 7.1%. So here the carbonyl compound we are talking with respect to the aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and somewhere wherever we get the esters application as a byproduct or as a major product in some of the reactions that we have already learnt. So those questions are also or those concepts are also very important. So glance them thoroughly. You need to prepare for that thoroughly before you face this year NEET examination. So there is a specific title for that only. It's been given as carbonyl compounds. So C double bond O containing compounds. So the weightage is approximately given as 6.7%. Apart from that, the remaining organic chemistry of both part 1 and part 2, that means you are talking about class 11 and class 12, is approximately to the tune of 8.8%. So here, plus they have also given 4.0% for considering the isomerism as well as IUPAC nomenclature. So go through the IUPAC nomenclature thoroughly before you go to your NEET examination, and the concept of isomerism, the different types of isomers that will be formed by the haloalkanes, haloarenes, or maybe the regular ones, the simpler ones, all of them. Apart from that, you need to go through the entire remaining lessons of organic chemistry of both class 11 and class 12, and this is the major concept or major weightage that you are having. So how to prepare for this? Go through all the synopsis part quickly and then try to answer as many questions as possible from any available source that you are having. From any available source that you are having, I would advise you to solve as many questions as possible and then write mock NEET tests before you actually go into the NEET examination. The more mock tests you are going to write, it is going to build a lot of confidence in you, and you will be getting exposed to so many varieties of questions, especially the numericals, which will take away your lot of time, and you need to calculate as it is by your brain power. So therefore, it is best to focus on these points more rather than keeping big volumes and then wasting your time and then thinking about what to do, how to do. All of these are time wasters. So instead of all of that, just learn from the targeted concept for this year 2019. I wish you all the best for 2019 NEET. Be a winner.